Rock Slide. I'm at the Cooper Firearms booth here at the 2015 SHOT Show. I'm with Mike Hudgens. You've noticed Cooper's been on Rock Slide here this last few months. They build some really high quality firearms. I've been shooting one of their Excaliburs, half-inch guns. They're incredible. So I was really excited to hear that they're getting in the muzzleloader gun building business. You know how I feel about muzzleloaders, especially accurate muzzleloaders, and so I come over to visit with Mike today to hear about their new endeavor. Go ahead and tell us about it, Mike.
Sure. It's the Model 22 ML. It's based on our Model 22 single shot centerfire action. This is not convertible to centerfire, so basically its roots are in the action, the original 22 action, but not exactly the same. So the rifle basically uses a 209 shotgun primer as an ignition system. As of right now, it's not Northwest compliant, but later we will revisit that.
But obviously, you can shoot it in most of the country. The only states I can think of off the top of my head would be Oregon, Washington, and Idaho, because you can't shoot at 209. But you can, all the other Western states will allow it.
Sure. The design of the action is pretty slick. It does require a lot of tools other than to remove the breech plug. We have a slot in the bolt face to slide the primer in, right at home, and then you shoot it just like any conventional centerfire that way. The other neat thing is the bolt locks up on the bolt stop. That serves as a locking rod. However, simply remove just like any other bolt action, and goes back in.
So easy to clean, removable breech plug. What's your rate of twist that you're running?
We're doing a 128 twist on these barrels.
All right, so that's going to shoot sabots great, I'm sure. Let's talk about your accuracy guarantee.
Okay. We are offering 2 inches and 100 yards on these, and as time goes on, I think we'll be able to shrink that up. And like you said, if anybody that's a seasoned muzzleloader shooter, they can squeeze more accuracy out of it. Just 2 inches.
Yeah, I agree. If you've got a 2-inch accuracy guarantee on a gun, if you know what you're doing, I don't care if it's peep sight or scope. If you know what you're doing, you should be able to beat that. So that's really exciting. And what's the weight coming in on these guns?
You know, these guns are probably weighing right now probably about 7.5 pounds,
which is about right if you're hunting a state where you got to shoot conicals because they're going to be heavy. If they're going to shoot good, so 7.5 pounds, not too bad. Everything's 50 caliber platform right now, right?
Correct.
Okay, gotcha. Barrel length.
Barrel length will be 26 inches.
26 inches, good. So a little extra velocity out of them with the longer barrel. And right now they're just offered in wood.
They're offered in wood, traditional, walnut type stocks. We're also offering them in laminate as well. And later down the road, we plan to offer them in synthetic.
All right. Well, if you're thinking about trying a new muzzleloader, just based on Cooper's accuracy reputation in their rifles and their centerfire, I wouldn't be afraid to try one of these, and I'm looking forward to getting one out in the field and seeing how it will shoot. You can visit Cooper Firearms website for more information.